What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. So today I've got my hands on the brand new Full HD mini car dash camera by Yi Technology, and I can't wait to see how good this product is, as I am a huge fan of Yi Technology. So without further ado, let's just get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So this is everything you get in the box, beginning with a user manual. We've got over here a USB car adapter, quite a long micro USB charging cable, and the dash camera itself. So here is the brand new mini car dash camera by Yi Technology. That is very small. That's a tiny dash camera. They're not lying when they say mini. This camera can record 1080p video at 30 frames per second. You have a 140-degree wide angle lens on the front, so you can adjust the camera slightly up and down to get the best angle. Over here you have a double-sided sticker. You just peel this off and you can stick this to your windscreen. Now you have a 2-inch LCD screen on the back. You've got a few buttons here which include power, play, pause, skip and record. Now on the side we have a micro USB charging port, a micro SD card slot and a speaker grill. There is nothing on the bottom, and on this side we have a microphone and nothing on the top. A very simple design, and this camera is actually designed to be very user friendly. So the camera does record 1080p at 30 frames per second. You've also got WDR, which is wide dynamic range, and that will increase the ability to view number plates in the dark. You also have collision detection and emergency recording. So in case there is a collision, the camera will automatically start recording, and all the footage up to that point will be protected, so you cannot accidentally delete that footage. Now you also got built-in Wi-Fi, so you can download the Yi Dash app directly on your smartphone and you can access all your recordings, and thereafter you can download the recordings directly on your phone, or you can share them as required. So a very user-friendly concept. I do like that. It makes things a lot easier. You're never going to need to take the memory card out and pop it into a laptop or a PC. I mean, you've got the option to do that if you want to do things old school, but I do like the option to manage everything from a smartphone. So yeah, awesome stuff. So I'm just going to power this up right now and just give you guys a quick taste of what to expect. As soon as you plug in the power to the dash camera, it will ask you to install the app. So you've got a QR code there. Grab your phone, open up QR scanner and scan that code. And that will direct you to download this app called the Yi Dashcam. So the app will be available for iOS and Android. Now this is what I like about Yi products. They're very easy to follow and set up because they have such a user-friendly setting up process, and that is normally the case of all their products. Alright, so open the app. So first thing, add a device, and we have the Yi dash camera, which is this one at the bottom. You recognize it by picture. So ensure the power supply is plugged in. Yes it is. Press next. Confirm Wi-Fi switch is on, which I'm assuming it is. It's searching. Connecting, and I can see my hand. I guess we're connected. Connection is successful. So we're all set up now. The camera is pointing to my television, and I just want to quickly show you what options you have on the smartphone app. So you've got camera, you can click on SD card and it will show you everything that's on the SD card right now, and these are all the events. You can just click on any one of them, and then you'll have the option, if I just pause it, you'll then have the option to watch it, or you got options at the bottom to download it or delete it, or press I for more information on when it was recorded and with the date, timestamp and everything. So quite useful. If we click on settings, here are all the options. You've got resolution. It's set on 1080p at 30 frames, but you can go down to 720p at 30 frames, which will give you smaller video files. So you can set the video duration to 1 minute or 3 minute clips. Audio, you've got G sensor, timestamp, logo, watermarks. You can do firmware updates from here. You can set your LCD off brightness, so we leave that medium. So here are all your options, including format SD card. So I'm just going to insert a standard SanDisk 32GB SD card. So I've got my memory card in there, so every time you connect the power it will automatically start recording by default. So there we go, and that is our live feed right now. So if I put my hand in front, you can see it. This works great in real-time live feed. So I am quite impressed with this so far. Meanwhile, let's take this out for a spin and find out how good it is. I'll be right back. So there you have it guys, that was the latest mini dash camera by Yi Technology. Very compact in size, easy to install, great video quality, you have collision detection, emergency recording, and you can manage everything from your smartphone. Another great product by Yi Technology and for a very good price. And with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one guys.